Good morning, my dear children. Today we are going to study chapter 14 When the Earth Shook. In this chapter, you are going to study about the earthquake which occurred in Gujarat. You will also come to know about the natural disasters and what precautions you should take during natural disaster. Children, do you know the meaning of natural disaster? A natural disaster is a major adverse event resulting from natural process of earth. It is also known as natural calamity. Now I am going to tell you few examples of natural disaster. Tsunami. A tsunami is a series of waves in a water body caused by the displacement of a large volume of water, generally in an ocean or a large lake. Next, drought. A long period without rain is known as drought. Next, earthquake. A sudden violent shaking of the earth is known as earthquake. It is also known as bhukamp. Next, cyclone. A violent wind that moves in a circle causing a storm is called cyclone. Next, landslide. The sudden fall of a mass of an earth, rocks, etc. down the side of the mountain is known as landslide. Next, flood. Excessive rainfall can lead to flood. Next, famine. Shortage of food and water can result in a famine. Now, children, you come to know about natural disaster. A natural disaster is a major adverse event resulting from natural process of the earth. It is also known as natural calamities. Now, children, I am going to explain you about the earthquake which occurred in 26th January 2001 in some parts of Gujarat. Here I am tell you about the village which is in Kutch district. What happened on 26th January in that village? Jasma lives in Kutch area, Gujarat. She was 11 years old when there was an earthquake. It was 26th January 2001. Everyone from the village, children and old people had gathered in the ground of the school to watch the parade on TV. Suddenly, the ground was shaking. People was scared and starting running here and there. No one knew what was happening and what to do. There was a total panic. In a few minutes, the village was flat on the ground. All things, clothes, pots, grains, and food were trapped under the stone and mud and wood from the fallen houses. At that time, everyone thought of two things: to save the people who were trapped and to treat the injured. The village hospital was also damaged. Many people were seriously injured. Jasma's leg got fractured. The doctor treated people with the help of the villagers. 6 people of village died. Jasma's grandfather, that is Nanaji, was also buried under the house. House of Mota Babu, who is the sarpanch of the village, was not much damaged. He gave rice and wheat to everyone from his godown. For many days, everybody was fed at Mota Babu's house. Imagine being without a house in the cold winter. Fear and the cold kept them away in the night. All the time they were worried that there may be another earthquake. For some days after that, people from the cities kept coming to see what had happened. They came with food, medicines, clothes, etc. Everyone used to rush to take these things. The clothes that they got were very different. They had never worn such clothes before. People from different groups from the city helped them to put up the tents. Staying in these plastic tents in the cold winter months was very difficult. Some of these people were scientists. They tried to find out which area have more chances of having an earthquake. People from village talked to them many times. They had suggestions about building their house again. Engineers and architects showed them some special designs for houses. They said that with this design, houses would not get damaged much in an earthquake. Village people were little afraid. They thought if these people build their houses, their village will not look like their old village. So the villagers thought they would build their own houses with their help. The groups would build the village school. They all worked together to rebuild their village. Some people dug and brought the clay on the pond. Some mixed the clay with cow dung and made large cakes, and some put these on one another to make the walls. They whitewashed the walls and decorated them with beautiful designs and small pieces of mirror. They put up the thatch roof. Now their house shines like a diamond in the dark night. TV report on Bhuj earthquake on 26th January 2001. Thousands of people died, many thousands injured. Army jawans called for the help. At least 150 buildings fallen in Ahmedabad. Situation of Bhuj is worst. Help is coming from all over the country. Children, this was all about the real incident which happened in Gujarat on 26th January 2001. An earthquake is measured with a machine called seismograph. The magnitude of the earthquake is measured on the Richter scale. Okay, I hope you all understood the chapter well. Okay, thank you.